Our today's discussion is about a river that always has dead bodies of various animals and birds floating in its water. Any animal, including humans, will be completely boiled if they step into the water of the river. Are you wondering what happens to the river? There is such a mysterious boiling river in the Amazon region of the South American country of Peru. Yes, unbelievable, but the world's only boiling water river is located in the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon. There are many legends surrounding this boiling river. To the people of the Inca civilization, this river was the stream of the sun god. The ancient people thought that the water of this river boiled due to the heat of the sun. But the answer to how the water of this river always boils was unknown for many years. André Ruzzo, the first person in the world who was allowed to approach the boiling river hidden deep in the Amazon. He is a geothermal scientist by profession. As a boy, André heard stories of such a hot river from his Peruvian grandfather. And when he grew up to become a geophysicist, he decided to check whether the stories he heard as a boy were true or just a myth. Later on in his book, The Boiling River, he revealed the secret of this boiling river to people all over the world. This book contains that the normal temperature of the river is 120 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and in some places its depth goes up to 16 feet. In his book, Ruzzo gave some more terrifying information about the river.